In the United States, home invasions happen every 15 seconds. That's over 4,800 per day. Feeling safe in your own home shouldn't be this hard. At Saferoom, we've dedicated ourselves to ensuring your peace of mind. Saferoom specializes in crafting highly secured safe-room doors, meticulously engineered to protect you. Our doors come equipped with an advanced automatic locking system, securing your entrance silently and swiftly as you step inside. A camera system, offering real-time exterior monitoring during emergencies, providing you with eyes on the outside world. And a solid, ballistic-tested construction, ensuring not only security, but also peace of mind for you and your family. Saferoom doors seamlessly blend with your decor, concealing their robust security features. They come without exterior access points, creating a hidden layer of protection from the outside. Designed to be simple, safe, and effective in emergencies, Saferoom doors are proudly 100% manufactured in America. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship sets us apart. Each Saferoom door is custom-built to your exact specifications, guaranteeing a perfect fit for any room size or design. Don't wait for the unexpected to happen. Choose Saferoom today and fortify your home with the security it deserves. Saferoom, your sanctuary, your security.